Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into the Pharos Testnet campaign on Layer 3. This is a free testnet to participate in. So outside of Layer 3, you can participate and still get rewarded. I do have more videos on the Pharos network testnet campaigns, more on my channel, but before we actually get started in this deep dive, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, I'm not sure exactly what kind of rewards Layer 3 will be giving out, but Pharos is doing an incentivized testnet campaign, and it is a EVM-compatible Layer 1 designed for real-world assets, enterprise-grade DeFi, and ultra-fast execution at scale. So great early exposure, just like with Plume. So I have a Discord. If you need help navigating this space, I have a Discord. Link is down below. I have Twitter right here, the BCR142. Make sure you're following the right account. I also co-host a show every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, here at DeFi, Crypto, and Airdrops, where we drop all the latest DeFi, crypto, and airdrop news. Oh yeah, Pi Squared is one that I will be doing more on. And yeah, come check us out. We're growing. And the host, Veteran Crypto, Veteran for Crypto, give him a follow. Check him out, great DeFi mind. And check us out at the_only_DCA. So, bada bing, bada boom, let's get into it. So, Pharos Testnet, we will start exploring Pharos, an EVM-compatible Layer 1 designed for real-world assets, enterprise-grade DeFi, and ultra-fast execution at scale. Visit Pharos' website and read the docs. So here, you can join the testnet. And the testnet I've been participating in for quite a many months now. And we haven't quite got to level 5. They have levels on here, as we've explored in previous videos, but this is a good chance to catch up on what's been going on. So you can claim the faucet here where testnet tokens. Make sure your address is in here and click I'm not a robot and claim tokens. And then you can go up here to experience and do your check-in and your swaps, provide liquidity, and we'll dive into that. So what execution model does Pharos use to achieve high throughput? Deep parallel execution engine. What is Pharos? Native gas token. What type of apps is Pharos optimized for? RWAs, DeFi, and the rest. What is SPN in the Pharos ecosystem? Secure private network. What chains are compatible with Pharos smart contracts? EVM. All right, give them a follow, join the Discord, or maybe it was the other way. Or was it the other way? All right. So here we go. Catch that. Next up, about Pharos. It's a Layer 1 blockchain built for RWA, tokenization, high-speed DeFi, and cross-chain liquidity. Engineered to bridge Web 2 and Web 3 at internet scale. I wish I could just close this sidebar right here. Okay, nice. I hate that thing. Up to 30,000 transactions per second with 1 second finality and 2 gigagas second throughput, whatever that is. I don't really care about that. Deep parallel execution, yep. Making it fast and reliable. Built for RWAs, real estate, commodities, tokenized investments, and all kinds of fun stuff. So deep parallel execution engine, privacy-focused subnetwork for compliant execution, which is important. Tokenized RWAs, and using adaptive compression and efficient indexing, and both EVM and WASM via a unified large language virtual machine backend. Wow, cool. Yeah, you want them to be able to have the different contract or smart contract languages speak to each other. So if you have a backend that can handle that handshake between the WASM and was it EVM? So onboarding, we've gone over this. So claim testnet tokens, which we can't right now. Visit the testnet onboarding guide and check in. Yep, we done all that. Okay. So next, I'm claiming on my Layer 3 wallet. That's right. Oh yeah, you might need some gas for this, but you don't need gas for this. This is all testnet, but I forgot that this is minting cubes. So next up, on-chain task number 1. Well, on the testnet. Swap via Zenith. Okay. So that's right here, Zenith, and then there's Pharos swap right? So provide liquidity, same thing, Zenith and Pharos swap. We will connect and we will swap any amount of any tokens. We'll swap for some USDC. 0.1. Ooh, we want to show you some NFTs too. There you go. Whoops, wrong one. Gotta put my correct wallet. Add liquidity via Zenith. So we'll close out of that and then go right here to new pool. And we'll create our own pool. So Pharos and the USDT that we just created, just do 1%, or best for stables. And we'll put in 50. Do full range. Preview it up. All right. And we'll add. Okay. We have added our liquidity. Now swap via Pharos swap. All right. We'll close out of here. So it's just taking us on down chain, right? So connect. Okay. Now that we are connected, let's swap 25 USDT back to Pharos. And then it'll probably have us provide liquidity on the next step. If I were to guess, there we go. Swap submitted and add liquidity. There we go. So we'll add liquidity, USDC, USDT. I'm just gonna add 25%, a little bit, but make sure it's equal amount or you have enough for whatever the other amount is. Yeah, just swap for it if you don't have enough. And there we go. That should be Pharos swap. Bada bing, bada boom. So you don't have to collect the cubes. Like I said, this is just for layer 3, but doing this, getting your level up is important. So if you want to join, I'd appreciate it. And we can level up together, but there's not, oh, the Bitget wallet campaign one ends in a day, but there we go. Now we have more coming in 4 days. So on-chain task number 3 or 2 and 3. Oh, wait, how is 3 coming before 2? I don't know, but we'll find out. So if you do need any help, please jump in the Discord, hit me up on Twitter. Links are down below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day.